Hey, what's going on? We are on day 2 of the Southport 30 install here. As you can see, we've got our black acrylic dash already all installed. We've got our twin Garmin 8616 displays. We've got the grid remote right there. And let's see, we look down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. We can see the Fusion Apollo stereo is also installed. And if we take a quick glance down below here, you can see that we're starting to get all the wiring in. We have to network in the Optimus Joystick System into the Garmin autopilot system and get all that stuff done. So we're getting that going. So let's go ahead. We'll take a look down here, see what we got going on. All right, so as you can see, we've got a bunch of wiring going on here. This is kind of nice. We've got a blank slate to work from. We've got the start of our NMEA network going on right there. We've got all of our wiring going in. Of course, we've got our Siren Marine, our Optimus Controls. We've got our Yamaha Gateway. So we've got everything going on there. This is all going to get chock-a-block full with network fittings and connections. All right, so that is day 2 in the books for us here. We're getting all this stuff wrapped up. Everything's moving along really nicely. Let's see how the guys make out for day 3. Be sure to give us a follow.